Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any updates.
Your kisses of the sun, with sweet I didn't think I let it in my eyes. Like an exotic dream, the radio playing songs that I have never heard. I don't know what to say. Oh, not another word, just la 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 la. It goes around the world, just la 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 la. It's all around the world, just la 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 la. And everybody's singing la 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 la.
Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I got on my April Glamego box. So I'm not unboxed it yet, so I'm going to be doing it in front of you guys. Pretty much excited for this box, so yeah, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to be opening it from here, and here is the box. Ooh, ice cream. This box is like for the neon lover. No, I believe that this is like a colorful box, like colorful in the sense this vibrant pink, like hot pink color, and this neon green color. So it opens up from here. So let's just see what we have. So first of all, something is written here: hot summer, not for saddy me, cheeky me, freezy me. So summer skincare product with SPF and sun protection. Product selected from eminent Vogue Beauty Awards. So that's a good thing. Whatever I got is listed here, like the products. So first I got this. This is a good moisturizer. It will definitely suit all skin type. It claims to give lighter, whiter, brighter skin. It has grapefruit that helps to give even skin tone and remove any blemishes. This nourishing cream is enriched with the extracts of grapefruit and vitamin C, both extremely essential for our skin. This cream has a non-sticky texture. This cream surely brightens up the skin and gives a soft and glowing effect to the skin. This is Natural Bath and Beauty. I already got this from Glam Box and I've been using it, and it is amazing. Like, it moisturizes like, don't even ask me, it's really like very much moisturizing. I really liked it. I've been using it daily and I'm happy that I got another pack of it. Next product I have here with me is this Cherry Blossom Flores Lip Moisturizer. My Iceland case, it price is $4.99. This is how it looks. Let's talk about the packaging first. I love how colorful it is, and it looks so cute. And it comes in a tube form, so it has a slanted tip applicator, which makes easier for us to apply the lip balm on our lip. We don't have to use our finger, so that's a good thing. This balm contains tropical mango and avocado butter. It also contains beeswax, carrot seed oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, macadamia nut oil, all of which are organic sourced. It also contains a little stevia, which is also known as artificial sweetener. So in case you accidentally lick your lips, you would notice a mildly sweet taste. As you could tell by the ingredient list, these are very hydrating and softening on the lips. This is very moisturizing. It also contains SPF 15. The formula is very nourishing and the flavors are lovely to use. Moreover, these are made in India and the ingredient list is very clean. I would highly recommend this to everyone. Do I need to tell you guys how much I'm addicted to my lip balms? Like, seriously, I love each and every lip balm I have. I'm very much excited to use this one as well, because Banjara lips always need moisturizer. I don't have that dry lips, but yeah, I have to open it. I really like the packaging. Like, look, isn't it like really unique? I really like it. It says it's 100% natural, organic, 100% pure, petroleum free, sun protection. Wow, sun protection. Just open and see. I can't. Oh my god, isn't it cute? Oh my god. Honey pink tint. and it has come with this cute little card. Really like the packaging, like like this thing is coming out, but yeah, who cares. I really like the packaging, like the soothing color. This is one of my favorite color, like it's so soothing. I am just going to smell it, and don't ask me the smell, it is just out of the world. Oh, can you see, like look, it is pink tint. Obviously it won't give you that pigment, but who cares, it gives you the pinkish tint. That's what I want, and that's what we all want. We want our lip to be pinky. So yeah, and I'm gonna be using it every day, and the smell is just out of world. So the price of it is, as I said, 500 rupees, 499. Like seriously, you're getting such products within 299 if you subscribe for 12 months, and you're getting such expensive products. Oh, Glamego really gives us heaven. So next I have this Nelf, I guess.
I personally liked it a lot, especially because it has SPF 18. It is oil-free, ultra-fine and lightweight. It is suitable for everyday use. It creates a flawless natural look with this lightweight tinted powder. This formula provides light coverage and sets makeup, while also helping to mattify skin and minimize the appearance of fine lines.
Ooh, it looks nice, but I hope you can see it has some scratches, and that I don't like, obviously. Let's just open it. This is how it looks, and you can see it's covered with this plastic, so that's a good thing. It looks like a basic compact, but the great thing about it that it has SPF 18. Yeah, right, SPF 18 with UV protection. And I think in this hot summer, what we want sun protection. We want our foundation to not melt. When you go out, it is important to protect yourself by using sun protector. Like we are using sun protection and using this compact on the top of it, so we will be definitely fully protected. So that's what we want in this hot summer. So don't burn yourself, and try to use some sun protection and SPF or compact like this one. The price of it is 350, and it says the compact with SPF will protect your skin from harmful rays, so that's a very important. Next we have this Vedicline Gold Facial. Wow, gives luster and glow to skin, enriched with benefits of gold and saffron, keeps skin pure and healthy. This is how it looks.
Vedicline Gold skincare products are based on Ayurvedic concept. The Vedicline Gold Facial Kit gives you flawless, radiating glow with a beautiful golden aura to skin. Ayurveda suggests use of saffron, almonds, marigold flowers, turmeric and sandalwood for benefit of gold, since they absorb rays of the sun and have gold-like benefit on skin. Vedicline Gold Facial is enriched with gold dust, essential fatty acids, antioxidants and vitamins to nourish and give your skin a healthy glow. It instantly removes dirt and impurities from your face.
So everything is written here, how to use and what to do, what not to do. Like everything is written here behind the packet. So obviously try to follow instruction before using such facials or any facials for that matter. Always read instruction. So here you can see all the facial pack. Step 1, we have cleanser with saffron. Step 2, we have scrubber with saffron for all skin type. And okay, it's falling everywhere. And step 3, we have cream with saffron for all skin type again, so that's a good thing. We don't have to worry about that. Step 4 is massage gel with saffron and all skin type again. Step 5 is a pack with saffron, and the 6th step is moisturizer serum. So it is not just moisturizer, it is in serum form, so that's a good thing. I have not done facial this month, and let's just do it with this one. And obviously I'm gonna be telling my beautician to not carry facial kit for me, because I'm gonna be using this one and try it out how it feels and everything. I'll let you know if you guys want to know. Just comment below if you want to know about these products. I would love to do review about this product. So yeah, the price of this is $350. So yeah, a perfect Ayurvedic therapy to brighten your skin and protect from sun rays. So next we have is this, and I have not opened it, so yeah, let's see. So this is wild turmeric anti-tan treatment.
This is the perfect natural sun defense using age-old formulation, combination with raw turmeric with natural essential oils. Forms a beautiful shield on the skin that reverses the effect of skin damaging with free radicals. I love this tan bag. It removes all the dirt and cleanses your skin. I have used it for the first time, but I liked it so much that I feel like I'm going to be using forever, ever and ever.
I also do tan pack, like then I massage my face sometimes once or twice a month. So thank you Glamego for this. I think it is in powder form if I'm not wrong. Like it feels, yeah, it is in powder form. And the smell, obviously Ayurvedic. Wow, I have taken so much time to say that. So here, like, use it carefully because it is in powder form. If it falls, you can't use it. So handle with care, guys. Price of it is $525, so it is expensive, guys. So yeah, I'm sorted for this month. Like, wow, facial kit, tan bag, lip balm, this compact, and yeah, I think Glamego has given us everything. Even this box is also useful. Like, this is not like you can throw it, it's something which you can use it. So yeah, I think that's a great thing. So if you are subscribing Glamego box for 12 months, you will be getting all the products within $299 per month. So what you are waiting for? Just go and grab your Glamego box. The amount of product you are getting, you are paying just seriously nothing. Like $299 can't be comparable with 2,300 or 500 rupees. So if you want to get all the product within $299, then go and just subscribe to Glamego box for 12 months. So this 3 definitely going to be my favorite, and I'm excited for all this new products. So let's see how it feels and what kind of experience I get. I'll be definitely sharing with you all if you want to know. In case you want to get detailed review about any of this product, then let me know into the comment box. I would love to do review of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and don't forget to connect with me on my all social medias. The link will be listed into the description box, and I'll catch you guys super duper soon. Mwah! Bye.